the past year, energy costs have skyrocketed. Some areas of the U.S. have seen increases from 10 to over 100%. Utility companies are overcharging homeowners for electrical power, and half of the cost is for shipping the energy to their homes. And with hyperinflation on the rise, what can homeowners do to stay ahead?
Introducing Reach. We're revolutionizing solar in favor of homeowners. Instead of renting your energy from the grid, take back control by owning your power with solar energy. Our family and friends pricing makes switching to solar easy, with no money down. Also, you may qualify for a 30% federal government tax credit, as well as contributions from your state. Adding solar to your home could create immediate value and allow you to earn and save you money. 67% of potential home buyers ranked energy efficiency as a very important feature of a home. It's easy to see why so many homeowners are switching to solar. If you are ready to start owning your power, book an appointment with the person who sent you this video to see if your numbers look favorable for going solar.